Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyroute. In this video, I'll be explaining that how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem in just 5 minutes. I'll be just taking your 5 minutes and after that, you will find your own self that your Windows 11 lagging problem has been fixed. And even the performance has been boosted. Alright, let's get started. If you find this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. To make your system fast, the first thing that you have to do to turn off certain settings. To do that, right click on the start menu. From the suggestion, select settings. In the left hand section, select privacy and security. Here you can see Windows permissions and app permissions. You can turn off all these permissions. So first thing, you have to go to general and off all the settings. In my case, it is all these settings are off. So if it is on, please off all these settings and go to speech and do the same thing. You just turn off the speech settings. Same thing you can do with inking, typing personalization, diagnostic and feedback, activity history, search permissions, searching windows, all these permission you can turn off. And even app permission, location if it doesn't require it. If you do not require the location services, then you can turn it off. It will make your system much better. In my case, I'm not turning off the location services. uh, if you required, you can turn it off. It doesn't make any, it will help you to improve the system performance. And even camera is not required, you can turn it off. You can go through with all these app permission and turn off the settings accordingly. Especially these notifications, you can turn it off. Once if you turn off all these notification, it will help you to improve the system speed. And verify all these app permissions and turn off accordingly. The other thing what you can do, in the left hand side, you can see personalization. Click on that and click on colors and turn off transparency effects. By default, transparency effects will be turned on. You will have to turn it off. By disabling the transparency effect, it's just disabling the animated effects. The third step, what you have to do, click on run and type sys and type sys gm.cpl. It will open the system properties and click on the advanced tab. Under performance, click on settings. Here you have three choices like let Windows choose what is best for your computer and adjust for the best appearance, adjust for best performance. So click on adjust for best performance. Yeah, you have to click on show thumbnails instead of icons, then smooth edges, screen fonts. These two settings you can mark it, you can check mark it and click on apply. Okay. Step number 4, go to task manager. To open the task manager, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Here you have the option like startup apps. Click on that. So here you can see plenty of startup apps. When the OS is loaded, all these apps will be loaded together. So you can disable unnecessary apps. It is better to disable the third-party apps, not the default apps from Microsoft. The last and the final thing that you can do to improve your system performance is nothing but to uninstall the unwanted application from your laptop. To do that, go to the run and type appwiz.cpl. Click on that, it will go to the control panel, uninstall or change a program. So you reach over here, you land over here. You can uninstall any of the unwanted application. This will help you to improve the system performance. So keep your computer neat and clean. And after applying all these settings, just make a restart. And you will find a great change in your lagging problem. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Have a wonderful day.